Hello viewers, today we will start our new study plan which is LeetCode 75. So first we will start through the array and afterwards we move forward, two pointer then sliding window. So let's do this. The first question is merge string alternately. So in this question there is given a word 1 and word 2. Okay, so you have to merge them. You have to merge the character alternatingly. Means if the first word is from word 1, then the next word is from word 2, and the third word is from word 1 and the fourth word is from word 2. You have to alternatingly merge the characters, and after this you just have to return the string. Okay, so let's take an example of this ABC and PQR. So let's write this. Here is word 1 is given A, B, C, okay, and the word 2 is given PQR, okay, PQR. These are the strings which is given, so there is a double colon. You have to return a single string which is alternatingly carrying the character of word 1 and word 2, okay. So if the first word is from word 1, so here is a A, and afterward I have to take the P from word 2, which is the second character, and then B from word 1 and Q from word 2 and C from word 1 and R from word 3, okay, sorry, word 2. So you just have to return this string, okay. As a same, take second example. If there is a 2 character in a word 1 and 4 character in word 2, then how you will do it? So let's take an example. Word 1 is A, B, okay, and the word 2 is P, Q, R and S, okay. So these are there is a 2 word, and you just have to return the uh, string S, which is carrying the character of word 1 and word 2, okay. So string S will contain the first character is from word 1 is A, okay. So A, and the first character of word 2 is P. You have to add P, and then B, and then Q. Here you will get that word 1 is now word 1 is empty, means the string length is over. So if you get some condition like this, if word 1 is empty and word 2 is still there is some character, then you just have to add R and S, okay. So let's do this. So you have to just return this character. So let's do this. I hope you understand. First I will find int n equals to word 1 dot size and int m equals to word 2 dot size, okay. This will store the size of an word 1 and word 2, and after this I will create string S which will store the answer, okay. After merging the character from word 1 and word 2, string S will be store the answer. Here is an answer, so this will store the answer. And let's int I equals to 0, which will traverse through the word 1, and int j equals to 0, which will traverse through the word 2. I will do the while loop, which will start from I and n less than n, and j should be less than m, okay. You just have to add s plus word 1 of I and again you just have to do s plus equals to word2 of I. Okay, you just have to do this, and after this you just have sorry, it will be a j, not I, and you after this you just have to do I plus plus and j plus plus. Okay, this condition is valid for only those who have a same word length. Okay, and if some word is after some condition, the word, if the length is not equal, then I have to create another loop condition which is I less than n. If j, then you just have to do s plus equals to word of I, and then you just have to do I plus plus. Okay, and again you just have to check for j is less than m, then you just have to s plus equals to word of j and then j plus plus. Okay, and after this you just have to return s. Okay, so let's run this code. Okay, it will word 1 and here will be word 2. Okay, so let's run this code. Yeah, this code works fine. Let's submit this. This has been accepted. Thanks for watching.